Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we get started, I would like to introduce the team members.
My name is Muhammad Ashraf Bashar bin Amizul.
My name is Muhammad Shahibul Wafa bin Azri.
And my name is Amir Shafiq bin Mufrad.
Nowadays, there are many accidents happen involving lorries.
One of the main reasons is because the lorry is the old model and there is no new technology used in handling the lorry, or even a sensor. It is totally depending on the driver and the lorry conductor.
Accident can happen if the driver is not alert with the blind spot. Where is the blind spot? As we can see, the blind spot is located as the front, side and the back of the lorry. You need to avoid these places. Blind spots are very dangerous because even if you have big side mirrors, you still cannot see things around you. And if you cannot see the driver to the rear view mirror, definitely the driver also cannot see you.
For example, from this video, this lorry driver is reversing slowly, but he still crashed the wall because he did not notice the wall and cannot estimate the range precisely.
Next, the problem statement. The lorry driver are having problems and limitation of vision because of the blind spots. Okay. Moving on to the objective of this mini project. The objective is to create a system to acknowledge the lorry driver that there are obstacles at the blind spot so that the lorry driver can take action.
Okay, now I will explain about the costing for our project. First of all, to make our project, we are going to need an Arduino Uno R3. The price is only Rm43.60. Next is the piezo buzzer. The price is Rm2.90. The third item will be the most important component in making our project, which is the ultrasonic distance sensor. The price is Rm4.50. The fourth item will be the NPN transistor. The price is only 40 cents. Next is the 1 kilo ohm resistor. The price is Rm1.06. And last but not least is the 9 volt battery. The price is Rm4.90. The total cost to make our project is Rm57.36.
Thank you, Shahibul. I'm Ashraf, and I will talk about circuit diagram first. Firstly, there is input component, which is ultrasonic sensor. After that, there is microprocessor component, which is Arduino Uno R3. And finally, there are output components, which are 3 LED, 1 LCD, and a buzzer. Next, I will proceed with circuit simulation. There are 5 ranges of obstacle measured from the lorry ultrasonic sensor. Firstly, LCD show out of range. The range is more than 3 meter. Buzzer and all LED will do nothing. Secondly, LCD shows standby range. The range is between 2 meter and 3 meter. No sound is produced, but the green LED is turned on. After that, LCD shows cautious range. The range is between 1 meter and 2 meter. Buzzer are producing 200 Hz sound and the yellow LED is turned on. Next, LCD shows danger range. The range is between 0.3 meter and 1 meter. Buzzer are producing 300 Hz sound and the red LED is turned on. Finally, LCD shows crash range. The range is between 0 meter and 0.3 meter. Buzzer are producing 400 Hz sound and the red LED is blink. Now, I will proceed with the coding. Firstly, we clarify each electronics component to define its pin. After that, in void setup,
we set up which electronics component is input and output. And finally, in void loop, we decide what process that will undergo by each electronics component under specific condition. For example, duration of sound is 10 microsecond and silent is 2 microsecond by buzzer for range 1 meter to 2 meter.
Okay, that's all from me. After this, Shahibul will talk about video demonstration.
Thank you, Ashraf. Now, I would like to give a clearer explanation about our project by making a video demonstration. As you can see, on the top left corner, it is the view from the driver's vision. The LCD display is placed on the dashboard. As the lorry is reversing and approaching the 2 meter to 3 meter range, a green LED will light up and displays standby range on the LED panel. And when the lorry is in 1 meter to 2 meter range, yellow LED and buzzer will be activated, and a cautious range will be displayed on the LED panel. As the lorry keeps on reversing, it will enter 0.3 meter to 1 meter range. In this range, red LED and a louder buzzer will be activated, and the LED will display danger range. If the lorry keeps on reversing, the display will notify that the lorry is in crash range and driver needs to take action. In a nutshell, our project is effective in reducing the number of accidents caused by lorry, especially when reversing. This is because lorry driver can easily detect any obstacles that may come in their blind spots. However, there are some improvements that can be made to our project. Firstly is by adding a camera at the back side of the lorry. This is because lorry driver can easily detect any obstacles in their blind spots.
Other than that, I suggest the Internet of Things can be implemented in our mini project. The benefit is the driver can easily detect the range of near obstacle through mobile phone.
And finally, we can add the auto brake features when it reaches the closest distance. This is to reduce the human faulty. By implementing all this, we can reduce the risk of incident and increase the confidence of the lorry driver. That is all from us. Thank you.